If you are looking for an indoor spin bike for yourself, then you must have considered buying a Peloton bike, which is really great, but the only thing stopping you from buying it must be the fact that it is too expensive. Then this spin bike might be for you, the Yesoul G1 Max, a spin bike with a screen but at almost half the price of the Peloton bike. The G1 Max has a lot of packaging padding and a lot of tape to hold it in place. While it may take you some time to unpack, it also shows that wherever you are, the probability of damaging due to long shipping becomes much lower. The screen and the power supply are not included in this large box. There will be another small box. Since the G1 Max has more movable parts, there may be more parts than other spin bikes. Usually the manual we do not read is very important at this time. Anyway, the tools Yesoul have given you, you just have to follow the manual to install it. If you are unfortunate enough to lose the manual, there is also an electronic version of the manual on the official website. Once you have installed it, you can use it normally. Although the price is only half of Peloton, but the quality is no less than Peloton. V-shaped metal frame, yes. 2 light dumbbells, yes. Adjustable seat and handlebar, yes. Even more expensive Peloton Bike Plus only has the precision adjustment of the screen. G1 Max is also available. And the adjustment range is larger, which makes the screen full of possibilities. Underneath it are 2 water bottle holders. In the middle of the frame is a knob through which you can control the level of resistance and press down to be able to brake. 100 levels of resistance adjustment allows you to make a personalized riding experience. Unlike the Peloton bike, the G1 Max pedals are held in place by straps that hold the feet in place. I think both fixation methods have their own benefits. Peloton requires you to wear cycling shoes to use. It can lock your feet firmly, but also more like riding a road bike. G1 Max is more convenient. Any shoes can be used. Also, do not need to buy additional cycling shoes, more friendly for beginners. I would say the most impressive part, besides the cheap price, is the screen. This 32-inch screen is 10 inches larger than Peloton's and is even larger than my computer screen. Even though, as I just said, the G1 Max has a huge range of screen movements, this has the advantage of being able to use it for other things even when you are not riding. Yesoul has also added a cast function to the screen. You can cast a YouTube or other platform videos. In case you give up exercising completely, then at least this screen will not be wasted. Of course, you can also cast the Peloton tutorials onto the screen of the G1 Max, which is more like a Peloton bike, right? With its own 8-watt dual speakers, it's really no different from a smart TV. Yesoul designed this rotating screen to make various sport connections more closely. For example, there are some yoga classes. Want to watch the classes while doing yoga? There's no way more convenient than directly flipping the screen. With a big screen, you still need a remote control to control it. Your phone is the remote control. Yesoul app connects to G1 Max via Bluetooth, which can realize the functions of screen casting, class selection, and schedule. You must buy a spin bike with screen in order to follow the tutorials to exercise. There are a lot of tutorials in the app, and there's a free trial period, so only you like it, then you will buy it. I believe Yesoul's designers had the idea of beating Peloton in mind when they designed the G1 Max. This is their strategy to make some differentiated design and sell it at a cheaper price while achieving similar functions. I think whether it really beats Peloton or not, at least it gives people who can't afford Peloton bikes a chance to experience a high-end spin bike. If G1 Max brings benefit to some people, then it is a successful bike. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.